SuiteCRM Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving into SuiteCRM, an open-source customer relationship management CRM software that aims to provide an affordable and customizable alternative to popular CRM platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot. With a host of features tailored for businesses of all sizes, SuiteCRM offers robust tools for sales, marketing, customer service, and project management, all within an intuitive, flexible platform. If you're looking for a CRM that's open source, fully customizable, and free to use, SuiteCRM might be worth considering. But let's break down the key features and assess if it really lives up to the hype. First off, SuiteCRM provides a comprehensive suite of tools including lead and opportunity management, campaign management, workflow automation, reporting, and analytics. The user interface, though not as sleek as some paid CRM systems, is highly functional and can be customized to fit your business needs. One of the standout features is the ability to integrate with a wide range of third-party applications, making it highly adaptable to existing tech stacks. The software's flexibility and customization is a significant advantage, as businesses can tailor everything from dashboards to modules, aligning it with their specific processes. However, SuiteCRM does come with its challenges. Since it's open source, the user interface might feel a bit outdated compared to modern CRM solutions. Additionally, while it offers a lot of customization, setting it up can be time-consuming and may require some technical expertise. The lack of official support means you'll be relying on community forums and third-party consultants if you run into issues, which can be frustrating for users without the technical background. Another important consideration is the scalability. SuiteCRM works well for small to medium-sized businesses, but larger enterprises may encounter performance issues as they scale unless they invest in additional customization and technical resources. Furthermore, while SuiteCRM does have a mobile app, it isn't as feature-rich or polished as the desktop version, making it less ideal for teams that rely heavily on mobile access. In conclusion, SuiteCRM is a powerful tool for businesses seeking a customizable CRM without the hefty price tag. It's perfect for organizations with the technical capability to set it up and maintain it, but it may not be the best fit for those looking for a quick, easy-to-use solution. If you're comfortable with open-source software and want a CRM you can mold to your exact specifications, SuiteCRM is worth exploring, but be prepared for the learning curve.